everyone. In today's class, we have another Quickie yoga session. So we are going to focus on uplifting our upper backs. So our Quickie yoga is not necessarily moving very fast, but in a short period of time, focusing on that specific body part. So enjoy. So we'll start from a tabletop position. And then from here, you'll reach your arms forward. And then you can even move your knees back. And then from here, we'll just start to press the chest down onto the mat. Okay. So we're keeping it a bit active, so we're not placing the forearms down. Push the forearms away from the floor, spreading the fingers wide. And then just see how much you can press your chest down. And see how this feels for the upper back. You can start to move the chest side to side. As you let the butt be high, you can slowly lengthen the breath. And then one more breath here. And then from here, we'll slowly release. We'll lift up, reset the hands and the knees. And then from here, we'll tuck the toes as you press up to downward facing dog. From here, we'll bend the knees slightly, or actually see if you can bend more than 30%. Okay, lift the heels as high as you can and then push the floor away. Okay, it will load more a bit on the hands, but press away from the floor so we feel that upper back. As you reach the butt back, breathing here. And then from here, we'll start to look in between the hands, step one foot forward, followed by the other foot. Inhale, come up halfway. Exhale, we'll fold. Inhale, we'll reach the arms all the way up. Exhale, hands back. Okay, inhale, we'll lift up. Exhale, we'll fold forward. Inhale, come up halfway. Okay, as you exhale, we'll press the hands down. Okay, we'll step back to a plank. Okay. And then from here, we'll slowly make our way down to the mat. You can bring the knees down for this round. Okay. As you reach the chest forward, we'll slowly make our way down. Okay, so I'll just move the blocks off to the side. Then from here, you'll bring your arms out to a T. Pressing the toes down, you'll hug the belly and find that zipper. And then as you inhale, you lift the chest away from the floor, let the hands hover. Keep yourself lifted, and then from here, we'll press the shoulder blades together and then release. Keeping yourself lifted, press the shoulder blades and release. 2 more times, we'll inhale and exhale. Last one, we'll inhale and exhale. From here, we'll press the palms down. And then from here, we'll press up to upward facing dog. So pressing the chest forward, then you can even move the neck side to side. So let's add that neck release here as well. Maybe look over one shoulder, look over the other shoulder. And then from here, we'll tuck the toes, pressing back into downward facing dog. Breathing here, bend the knees to about 20 to 30% and then pushing away from the floor. One more breath here. And then from here, we'll look in between the hands. Let's step one foot forward, followed by the other foot. Inhale, come up halfway. Exhale, we'll fold. Inhale, we'll reach the arms all the way up. Exhale, hands back. Okay, inhale, we'll lift up. Exhale, we'll fold forward. Inhale, come up halfway. And then as you exhale, we'll step back to a plank. And we'll be breathe in first. Then again, you can do this with knees down as you reach the chest forward. And then we'll slowly make our way down to the mat. Okay. So for this, I'm just going to move down so you can see the movement. Okay, from here, you'll press the toes down and then you'll bring the hands down. As you lift the chest up, we'll reach the arms forward and then you'll press the elbows back in and then you lower down. As you inhale, you'll press the chest away from the floor. We'll reach the arms forward, press the elbows back in and then lower down. Inhale as you lift. Reaching forward, exhale, lower down. 2 more, inhale, reaching forward, pressing back, lower down. Last one, inhale, and exhale. Then from here, bend the elbows, we press the palms down, we'll push back up, and then we'll tuck the toes to downward facing dog. From down dog, we'll bend the knees about 20 to 30% and then push away from the floor. Okay, so see how this feels for the upper back. One more breath here. And from here, we'll look in between the hands. Step one foot, followed by the other. Inhale, come up halfway. Exhale, we'll fold. Inhale, we'll reach the arms all the way up. Exhale, hands back. Inhale, we'll lift. Exhale, we'll fold. Inhale, come up halfway. Exhale. This time we'll step the right foot back, lower down the right knee. Okay. From here, we'll reach the arms up. Okay, we'll find low lunge. Okay, you can bend that left knee forward any amount. And then from here, we'll bend the elbows. Let the forearms press on top of the head. Hold on to the elbows. And then can we reach the chest up and then lean back any amount. So hug that belly in, breathing here. Okay. You can stay here in a low lunge or reset first, tuck the right toes, press up to a high lunge, and then leaning back again. Breathing here. Nice. So see if you can move the hips towards the ribs as you lean back, opening at the chest. One more breath. And then as you exhale, we'll reset, bringing the hands down, stepping back to a plank. Inhale. As you exhale, we'll just transition through, breathing in. And then exhale into downward facing dog. We'll do that on the other side. We'll lift the right leg up. We'll step it through in between the hands as we lower down that left knee. Inhale, we'll reach the arms up. We'll find low lunge here. Okay. And then as you bend the elbows, maybe bring the other hand on top. Okay. You can bend any amount into that front knee. Hug that belly in. And then we'll lean back again, opening at the chest. See how it feels like the shoulder blades are pressing against the chest. Hold steady here. Okay. Or you can take it into a high lunge. Okay. Maybe reset, find neutral first. Tuck the left toes as you inhale, pressing up. Keep traction at the thighs. Hug that belly in as we lean back any amount. One more breath here. And then as you exhale, we'll slowly release. Hands come down as we step back. You can transition through again as you exhale. Breathing in and breathing out. Okay, from here you can bend the knees about 30%, pressing away from the floor. One more cycle. And then as you exhale, we'll bring the knees down. We'll be sitting on our heels, taking a moment here. So you bring the hands together. Namaste. So I hope your upper back feels happy or uplifted. I would like to thank you for watching. This is Every Yoga by Jo and Daya, sharing everyday yoga for everybody.